Yep, one by one you put them back, Missy. Alice. I think you should put them back. What do you think? Are you eating some? She's chewing.
Let her eat cat food.
Oh, she's got a mouthful. Ugh, Alice.
Awesome.
Alice. Are you gonna put them back? No. Don't.
Put them back.
Don't squirt it.
Can I squirt her in the hand?
No.
Come on.
I think you should put them back. And then we need to go brush your teeth, apparently. Put them back. Don't you dare. Daddy squirt you.
A little bit.
Bye-bye.
It's like, screw you guys, I'm running away.